Welcome to the CSITEd experts uh, online forums data science A to G theory and programming playlist. So in some previous videos I showed how to install Python on Windows and Python on Mac, and how to install Anaconda Python on Windows and Anaconda Python on Mac. So when you install Python on Windows, you should have realized that with Python 3 you got idle this idle Python IDE installed within your Python 3 version. Okay, so let me open this, and in this short video I will show you how you can use idle as well as Anaconda so in order to program on Python. Okay, so actually I opened it, and I have, you see that it is I have pinned it on my taskbar, so I can open it from here directly. So once my Python idle is open, I can use it. I can click and open, or Control plus O, and then I can open files. So this is my data science A to G folder, and I have, you see that I have some programs over here. So let me open, this is Python 3 version program. Okay, so let me open this program, and once I open this program I can run it by clicking on run and then run module, or just by clicking F5. So once I run this program, my entire program will be running. Okay, so once I run my program, my entire program will be running. But you see that if I wanted to run, okay, this few lines, only one, or for instance only this one line I want to execute it, only one line, then it is not possible in Python idle. So Python idle has some limitations. It is good, but it has some limitations. One of the limitations that I cannot run this individual segment of my program. So how to run this online, or just part of this selected lines, or only, for instance, this. Okay, so I cannot do it in idle, but it is possible in Anaconda, using Anaconda. Okay, so now let me show you how to use Anaconda. So then once you have Anaconda installed, then just on your search bar or on your status bar you search for Anaconda. So then on my search bar I type in Anaconda. So once I type in Ana, then Anaconda navigator is showing over here. I could also once it runs, I could also pin it on my taskbar. Okay, so once it start, you say that it will take a few seconds. Once you click on Anaconda, and it will take a few seconds to start it up. Once it started, you see that these are showing lawns. Actually I have Jupyter Lab notebook, Jupyter Notebook, I have Spyder, I have Visual Studio Course. These are the editors I already have installed on this computer, on Anaconda navigator. So I have used like this Anaconda, Jupyter Lab, Anaconda Notebook, but I prefer Spyder. So once I click on launch, Spyder will start up in a few seconds. But remember that after I get Spyder, I will work on Spyder, but in the background I need to keep my Anaconda navigator up. You can minimize it, but you need to keep it up, otherwise it will not work. So here on Anaconda you see that I have also this program already open, but I could open it just clicking file and then by even open recent, or by clicking on open. Then whatever file I want to open, I can select and click on open. This is already open. So once it is open, then I can click on here on this run file button. You see that I am getting my output on my console over here. Okay, or also I could click on run, or even I could simply I could click on the F5 button on my keyboard, then the program will run. But the advanced feature of the Anaconda is that, for instance, I want to run only this line. So then I select this one, and then on Windows I will click on Control plus Enter. You see that I click on Control plus Enter, then only this line I selected on this line, and I got output on only for this line. So if I want to check output of only this portion of my program, then I will select it and I will press Ctrl plus Enter for Windows and Command plus Enter for Mac. So once I click here, they see that then I got output for these partial lines. For instance, now if I want to output only for this segment of my program, so then I will select it. I can press Ctrl plus Enter, then you see that I got this output. If I want to get output here only, check output of this my part, then I will see I just selected this part and I will paste Ctrl plus Enter. So you see that advanced feature of Spyder is that it allows you to get output or execute programs only the part you need. So then you don't need to run the entire program. And also Anaconda, it will help you to add libraries, many libraries, built-in libraries. I will show you later. For instance, if you want to do matrix operation, so then the Python has NumPy library, built-in library. If you want to for instance, if I want to run only this code, okay, so then I will select this and I will press Ctrl plus Enter. Then it is showing me my matrix output. And in some of, for instance, I have a matrix over here. This one is a 2 by 2 matrix. I want to print it, and I will also print as is transpose matrix. So it's easy. I will select this part of my program, and then I will paste Ctrl plus Enter or Command plus Enter on Mac. You see that I'm getting output for this matrix, and this is the transpose of matrix. So if you know matrix operation, then you can understand this. Or however, if you want to learn data science and machine learning, then definitely you need to learn matrix operation. So in our next videos, I will show you some matrix operations using Anaconda and Spyder. You see that how efficient that I can run part of my programs, selected programs. Then for instance, I can run this part. Okay, maybe you will not understand some of these at this point, so but later when we go step by step, you will learn how to use Anaconda, how to use Spyder, and how to use Python for data science and machine learning operation. So hope this video will help you to start learning Python. Welcome to the Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.